Hello students, welcome to my channel. Let's start our rapid fire question session. In this session we are going to answer 5 questions which are coming from IIT JAM exam. So let's start. This is first question. Which one of the following components of bacterial cell act as endotoxin? Peptidoglycan of gram-positive bacteria, lipopolysaccharide, porins, or peptidoglycan of gram-negative bacteria? What is the correct answer? So the correct answer is B, lipopolysaccharide. Lipopolysaccharide has these many different regions: lipid A, inner core, outer core, and O antigen. This is the outermost part and this is the innermost part which has endotoxin properties. Question number 2. What is the role of bile salts in the mammalian digestive system? A. Bile salts convert pepsinogen to pepsin and thus facilitate protein digestion. B. Bile salts emulsify fat and thus aid in fat digestion. C. Bile salts are excretory products produced by the liver and do not participate in digestion. Or D. Bile salts facilitate digestion of all types of macromolecules in the small intestine. So the correct option is B. Bile salts emulsify fat and thus aid in the fat digestion. So bile salts have both hydrophobic and hydrophilic site which will interact with the lipid molecules and help in the emulsification so that they can be solubilized and easily digested and then absorbed. Question number 3. Which one of the following process emerged earliest during the course of evolution? A. Antigen presentation. B. Antibody production. C. Phagocytosis. Or D. Thymic education. So the correct option is C. Phagocytosis. And yes, this is a part of innate immunity. And all rest of 3 options belong to adaptive immunity, which is the most recent one, which is the most evolved type of immunity. Question 4. Which one of the following microscopic techniques provide a three-dimensional perspective of live, unstained and transparent specimens obtained from the wild? A. Confocal microscopy. B. Fluorescence microscopy. C. Phase contrast microscopy. Or D. Differential interference contrast microscopy. So the correct option is C. Phase contrast microscopy. Phase contrast microscopy does not need to stain the live cells of the microorganisms or a part of tissue, and what happens when we stain the cells? They die. We can therefore visualize the live cells in the phase contrast microscopy. So this is how the image of ciliate looks like under a phase contrast microscope. Question 5. The difference between mitosis and meiosis 1 is A. Sister chromatids separate in mitosis whereas homologous chromosomes separate in meiosis 1. B. The nuclear membrane is absent during mitotic metaphase but not in the meiotic metaphase. C. The DNA is double helical in meiosis 1 but not in mitosis. D. Unlike in mitotic metaphase, chromosomes do not align at the equatorial plate in meiosis 1. So the correct option is A. Sister chromatids separate in mitosis whereas homologous chromosomes separate in meiosis 1. So here in meiosis 1, this is meiosis 1 and this is meiosis 2. In the meiosis 1, the homologous chromosomes are getting separated, while here in mitosis, the chromatids, sister chromatids are getting separated at the end. So these are the differences between mitosis and meiosis 1. That's all for today, students. Take care. Bye.